Hi, I'm Amy. Welcome to the video. Hey guys, today's video is going to be my project pan. This is the last project pan update of the year. This is crazy. If you are interested in seeing my other project pans that I did this year, I will have the playlist here. And if that sounds like something you'd be interested in, then just keep watching. I can't believe we have hit the end of the year, guys. So I'm not going to be mentioning any of these in the sense of being a project pan for the rest of the year. Obviously, if there's a video and I use them, I will talk about them then. And I'm gonna try to do an empties video before the end of the year, and I will try to do that later so that if any of these make it there, then you will see their end. But yeah, let's go ahead and dig right in. First, I want to talk about some of the most exciting things because I like to start with the good things. And that is the Taka perfume that I had, Taka, whatever. It has like one little dribble in there that I cannot get out through the spray. So I'm going to be considering this an empty. I'm really excited. I don't think I've ever finished a perfume that's not like a body spray. You know what I mean? Like a Victoria's Secret body spray or something. So I'm really excited. And this means that I will probably be purchasing a perfume for myself for Christmas, so be on the lookout for that. Let's see. And then the next most exciting thing is going to be the MAC Fix Plus. I do have a little bit in here, but it is very hard to get out. I need to try to, yeah, I'm gonna unscrew this, and I have been using it to prime my face. I don't think it really does anything, but I'm trying it. It hasn't broken me out, so that's good. But I think I will be able to finish this before the end of the year. And then I'm gonna talk, let's see, about the Buxom Lip Glosses. Again, the shade Hot Toddy. I've just been focusing on this one because I am so close to the end on this one. And I'm starting to be able to see through the sides because I've been wiping the sides. So that's really exciting. I still am not sure if I will get through it based on how long it's already taking me to get to there. And then the other one in Celeste, I haven't really touched at all because, again, I've been just trying to focus on that other one, and then as well, like wearing matte lipsticks and stuff like that. Last thing for lips here, we're going to talk about is my Laneige Glowy Balm, Lip Glowy Balm. I don't know how there's still stuff in here. Every time I'm like, it's gonna go this time. But yeah, there is some still in here. I would say like about to like here. I use it all the time, like 4 or 5 times a day, and it's lasting me a really long time. I mean, technically this has lasted me a year of using it because I did open this when I got it last Christmas. So, I mean, it might be $17 a tube, but it'll last you a long time if you don't lose it. So I would recommend these. But I don't know if I'm gonna finish it this year, but I'm gonna keep trying. And then we have my Flower Beauty Concealer, which you can't really see in this tube. I don't really know where I am, but I do know that I am starting to get some like marks on the tube where the doe foot is hitting it. So I'm really excited about that. That means that it is actually a clear tube and not just like a colored tube. So I think maybe this month I might pull out the stopper and really see how much is left in there, because when I pull out the thing, it's not like fully coated. So I think that's what I will do next. And then this, I mean, this probably is kind of exciting. I repressed my Rimmel Stay Matte powder, and all I have is this tiny little bit right here. And I tried not to press it like too hard because I am using it to set my face. So I wanted to make sure that I didn't have to press too hard, because since there is so little in here, I didn't want it to like fall out. So this is my first adventure with repressing, and I think it went pretty well. I've been using it and no like giant chunks have fallen off or anything crazy. I just used alcohol and, you know, nothing special. And I just used my hand and a paper towel to press it. I know that the things that I put into my project pan this year were more so things that I thought I could get rid of quickly, and I'm realizing obviously I can't do that. Like, it takes a long time. And I also picked items that were like could be used almost every day and weren't necessarily like a lime green eyeliner, you know, like that's not going to be as easily thrown into every makeup look. So I feel like I picked things that I should have been able to use quite easily, and like I said, like it takes a long time to get through some stuff. So I do think that having this project pan is really eye-opening. I think next year I will reorganize my project pan to have a little bit more, you know, unless instead of just being like things I'm trying to get out of my collection, it'll be more so like things I'm trying to get use out of, like 10 uses, 100 uses, things like that, which I think will be a little bit better, because then I will be like, I'm using this thing that I love, instead of having the mindset of like, I need to just freaking use this so I can get out of my collection, which I kind of have like that attitude towards these things now, even though most of them are things that I really love. So I'm really excited for kind of what's coming next year. I don't have anything set in stone yet, so if you do have any wants, questions, needs, what you'd like to see as far as a project pan next year, I would love to hear about it and talk about it down below. I think I will probably do a couple different series spin-offs of project pan style things, just so we can get a little more broad in what we are doing, and I don't know, I just think that will be a lot of fun. So yeah, that is all that I have for you. I am using my new camera, so I'm hoping that I can get some really good close-ups this time. I think I did get like pretty good ones last time, like they were pretty good as far as like giving you like a real view. This time I'm going to try to remember to backlight the products so you can see where things are, and get like really good detail with my new camera. That's my last project pan of 2020. I'm down to 6 products. We started with 10, and I started what was it, I think 2 or 3 months ago, so I feel like that's pretty good. Pretty good job for my first time. Again, like I said, if you have any like questions, requests, anything you'd like to see for next year, because I will definitely be planning that this month, because I'm going to be starting it in January. That's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. It helps me so much. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!